Easter so much because you can use color in your decoration, and you know I love to use color. So today I'm showing you how to use a few things that you can pick up at the Dollar Tree to DIY some really fun, easy Easter decorations, including Disco Bunny. So keep watching and I'll show you exactly what I did and how to make it. Now this is one of my favorite Easter DIYs, and you guys, the Dollar Tree doesn't always have these, and I was so happy to find them this time. It is the skipping ropes that have the carrots on the ends, and we're gonna turn these into these really cool carrots. First thing, we wanna get the jump rope out of there. Should be easy. No one will know. See? Nobody's gonna know. It's okay. We're gonna put grass and stuff in there. Nobody's gonna see that. Now that our carrots are white, they're painted dry, there's lots of things that you can do. You can actually, if you want to gold brush them, I've also seen people use that spray paint that looks like concrete or cement if you want them to have kind of more of a cement look. I think that looks really cool. But for me, I'm going for more white and modern. And all I did was buy some more of this greenery at Dollar Tree. And we're just gonna plop this in here. And there we have our super cute carrot top. For this next Easter DIY, I'm gonna show you how to turn these kitchen towels from Dollar Tree into a super adorable Easter pillow. Okay, I promise for this DIY, you don't have to sew, you don't have to know how to sew. All you really need is a handy glue gun, and you're gonna need, like I said, these dish towels, and you're gonna need some pillow fluff to fill the pillow with. So we're gonna start by unfolding these, and all I'm gonna do, guys, it can't be easier. All I'm gonna do is hot glue around 3 sides and press them together. So this is what it looks like. And now we're gonna take the top and we're gonna fill it with your pillow fill. So you can find pillow fill at your local fabric store. Michael's will have it too. Or maybe you have an old pillow that you just don't like and you can take that apart and stuff it with that. The trick to this though is to not overfill it, because don't forget, we didn't actually sew this, we just hot glued it. So if you don't want it to bust apart at the seams, just make sure you don't overfill.
So cute for just a few dollars. I bought this new spring mat and I needed to do something on the door that matched it. But the wreath that I had was kind of plain, so I knew that Dollar Tree was the place to go to find some things to help me out with this.
One of the hacks to make decorating easier during the different seasons is to buy yourself a wreath that is kind of plain, and then all I do is sort of change up these flowers and the little things that you can put inside of it. So it's one wreath with just a few things. You can make it look different each time. Now I know that Dollar Tree already had these carrot napkin rings already done, and they were $1.50 each. But I was able to make 6 of these for just $3. So you can save yourself money by just being creative with a little bit of glue and these carrots and some wooden napkin rings.
So I started by cutting my ribbon to about 6 inches in length. And then all I'm gonna do is tie it in a knot. Nothing fancy here. Now we're just gonna put a dab of glue here and stick our carrot on. We'll have our napkin ring.
For this next DIY, I'm going to start by using Dollar Tree candles. They come in lots of different colors. I decided to go with white, and some dried florals. Now, these I didn't get at Dollar Tree. I did get them at Michael's. You can find them at craft stores. And what we're going to do is make some beautiful floral candles using these two. You are going to start by heating up your iron, and it doesn't have to be very hot. It can be on low because we don't want to melt the candles and melt our hands doing this. And we're just going to take this dried flower, we're going to put it here. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully this is warm. I'm not putting my hand on it, I just want to feel that it's warm. And you're going to take pieces of wax paper. You're going to lay that on top, and we're going to press this with the warm iron. We're just gonna use our iron to press, and you'll see the wax paper sort of become translucent. So the wax is transferring on.
And here's how they look on my Easter table. I just love them so much that I even made a few more to put up on my mantle.
Now these aren't necessarily DIYs, but I felt like I couldn't do an Easter Dollar Tree video without showing you these things. So they had these adorable trees. They came in pink and purple and blue, and they light up. Aren't those awesome? I'm gonna use them on the table. I'm gonna use them scattered kind of everywhere because they're just so adorable. I wanted to show you these. And then also these super adorable bunnies, which I think just can go anywhere. And these. Now this inspired me to do an Easter candy bar. So I bought a bunch of treats at the Dollar Tree. I bought these like really beautiful candy jars, and we're gonna set up an Easter candy bar for Easter. Duh. Anyways, I wanted to show you that. And then the other thing that I always get at Dollar Tree when I'm hosting, I feel like it's a really good value, are their party plates. I wouldn't recommend the bigger plates, like they're never really good for having like dinner or a luncheon on, but these little plates are perfect for appetizers or for cakes or for dessert. And also their napkins. I mean, you get 30 and it's $1.50 for that. And they had some really pretty springtime napkins. This kind of inspired the palette that I'm gonna use for Easter. So using these soft lavender and the pinks and just a little bit of green. So anyways, I just want to share that with you. Dollar Tree did have some really cute things. If you are hosting Easter, if you're hosting some kind of spring party, then Dollar Tree is where it's at.
When I saw these containers, I just knew I was going to create a candy bar using them. So I got to filling them with gumballs that I got at Dollar Tree. And then also, of course, some chocolate eggs. And then I even filled a small ice bucket with jelly beans. Next up, some colorful licorice in a container that I already had. Here's a Joyful Hostess tip. You don't have to buy new. You can just maybe think about reusing your glassware to hold candy or nuts. I think it makes a really pretty holder and you can save yourself some money. Aside from the napkins, I also picked up these really cute cups from Dollar Tree and these little paper cups, which I think are going to work just perfectly for our candy bar.
It's time to make some Easter treats. And what's Easter without some Peeps? Now, Peeps are not my favorite. Let me know in the comments below. If you're a fan of Peeps, then that's cool. I saw this thing where people were taking Peeps and making marshmallow treats out of them. So I've got the Rice Krispies, we've got the Peeps. We're gonna make some treats and let's see how they turn out. DIY. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I was inspired when I was in Dollar Tree. I found these disco tiles. You guys, if you know me, you know I love the whole disco ball, disco vibe. And I thought I would really love to make a disco bunny. So I bought the disco tiles. I bought this sign. I'm just gonna use the bunny part of it. I'm gonna take it apart and use this backside and adhere these disco tiles to it. And then, of course, a little cottontail. Let's give it a try. We're gonna cut this bunny loose.
As you can see, I'm about to do something really dumb, so I do not advise this at home.
Oh no. I probably shouldn't have done that.
So after trying to figure things out, my daughter had the brilliant idea for us to put them on one by one. So yes, it took a little bit more time, but that was the way that we could avoid having glass shards all over the counter. And I think our bunny turned out really super cute.
He also needs a tail. So all I did was take the end off of that pen and I'm gonna hot glue this right here. That's a big old tail. Still cute.
And here's how Disco Bunny looks in his corner of the kitchen.
So there you have it, some really easy and simple Easter DIYs, all from the Dollar Tree. So let me know in the comments below which one you're gonna try first, which one you like the best, and I'm wishing you all happy hosting. Oh, one more thing. If you like what you saw here, be sure to hit like and subscribe. Okay, bye for real. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna try that again.
3 hours later.
6 hours later. Dollar Tree candle. Blech. Start again. Adorable carrots. That was a weird pause. A little bit of glue and nope. Take